Hi everybody, this is Zane with Python Basics, and as you can tell by the title, I will be taking a week off to kind of recoup, recharge, and spend time with my family this week because I really haven't had a break in, I couldn't tell you really how long, so I'm gonna just take some time to hang out, go do some fun stuff before the holidays really start and see where we are, because like I said last video, there's probably going to be a lot going on and some really interesting news and some really interesting updates. So just want to always keep you all in the loop because you guys have always been super supportive, and I really can't say thank you enough to that. But going to take a few days off, just a week, and we'll be back at it. Have a couple other really good questions that are sitting out there, finishing up some algorithms, and probably going to maybe start looking at some challenges that were posed. But yes, really kind of interested in the news, and really probably going to need y'all's help getting some stuff around and some people who might be interested in doing some things. So, but can't say enough thank yous. I really can't, because everything that has been happening to me in the past year is because of this community. And like I said, I honestly can't say thank you enough. Very interesting, very intriguing, very exciting, very nerve-wracking, but it is all worth it. But as always, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for cheerleading. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for requesting. Probably all of the very successful videos are ideas or requests or fill-ins. So that's what I love about this channel. You guys say thank you to me. I get to do something I enjoy and like, and has allowed me to do all sorts of things of learning and teaching and getting to really become who I am. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in about a week. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.